In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to a tag list in Kit. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so that by the end, you'll know exactly how to send a one-time broadcast email to just the tag subscribers you want without accidentally emailing your entire list. First, from your Kit dashboard, look for the navigation option labeled Send, and then choose Broadcasts. This is where all of your one-time email campaigns live, so any announcement, newsletter, or promotion you send will start from this page. Once you're on the broadcast screen, click the button labeled New Broadcast. This opens up a fresh email for you to create. Here, you can write your subject line, preview text, and the body of your email. Take a moment to make sure your message is clear and focused on the people who have the tag you'll be targeting. You can format your text, add images or links, and make sure everything looks the way you want it to appear in your subscribers' inboxes. When you're happy with your content, click Continue. This will take you to the recipient's screen. This step is really important because it determines exactly who will receive your broadcast. On the recipient's screen, you'll see a drop-down that's usually set to all subscribers by default. Click that drop-down to open up more targeting options. From the list that appears, select Subscribe To, and then choose Tag. This tells Kit that you don't want to send your email to everyone, only to subscribers who have specific tags. After you choose Tag, you'll see a list of all the tags in your account. Select the tag or tags that match the group you want to send this email to. For example, you might choose a tag for new customers, webinar attendees, or people interested in a particular topic. Once you've selected the correct tag or combination of tags, click Add Filter. You should now see your filter applied, confirming that this broadcast is limited to those tagged subscribers. With your recipients set, click Continue again. On the final screen, you'll choose whether to send your email immediately or schedule it for later. If you're ready for it to go out right away, choose Send Now. If you want it to go out at a specific date and time, select Schedule, pick your preferred time, and confirm. And that's it. You've created a broadcast, targeted it to a tag list, and set it to send in Kit.